My name is Darren Witter. I am the Sales and Estimating Manager at Weldall Manufacturing. I've been employed here for 32 years.
My name is Brian Fabus. My current role here is ERP Continuous Improvement Manager. I've been at Weldall Manufacturing for 4 years. I was a project manager for our NestLink and our Epicor implementation.
Weldall Manufacturing is a job shop manufacturing facility. We have 2 campuses. We have our main campus here in Waukesha, Wisconsin, a second campus up in Slinger, Wisconsin. We service mining, nuclear, rail, construction, many different types of companies, and we have also done several large specialty projects. One of them of note would be NASA. We did some work for their SLS space program. We are currently using SigmaNest 23, and along with that we use SimTrans and Color Offload. Prior to NestLink, we weren't able to keep our ERP and nesting software in sync. Our programmers had to work in 2 different softwares, and it was very time-consuming and susceptible to errors.
NestLink has improved our day-to-day operations by pushing job information from Epicor into our nesting software SigmaNest, and this allows our programmers to work within that nesting software. Also, our plate inventory from Epicor to SigmaNest is all in sync. On the shop floor, our operators are able to process programs through an interface with multiple jobs for labor transactions and our material transactions in one click. NestLink's also helped us with our heat traceability, being automated. Before, we were manually tracking heat numbers, and it's also improved our inventory accuracy by the operator being able to select the sheet size, the heat number for the plate on the shop floor, processing that program, and if there is a remnant on there, it's created automatically and a remnant tag is printed as a program is processed. The QBuild team was very hands-on during our implementation process. They're very strong on the project management side, keeping the project organized and on time. We threw a lot of different customizations at them that they were able to come through on. They're also able to integrate with a new feature in Epicor called Advanced Unit of Measure. The Advanced Unit of Measure feature allows you to have consolidated part numbers using attributes for sizes, and NestLink was able to recognize those attributes and push information between the ERP system to the programming software and from the programming software back into the ERP system. I recommend QBuild software to any manufacturing company wanting to integrate their ERP system to their nesting software. Their hands-on approach through the implementation and then their continued support after implementation.
We recommend QBuild to any manufacturing companies. We've had great success with them, very hands-on approach when it came to our implementation. We threw a ton of different configurations at them and they came through.